Hello everyone, our today's topic is string and its method. First of all, what is string? Strings are used for storing data or text. Strings variable contain a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. Here, string A is equal to hello. Hello is a collection of character HELLO and is surrounded by double quotes. Now let we see some operation या फिर we some method on string. First we find the length of the hello keyword. Simply a dot length. Length is an inbuilt function in Java. Here it will give me 5. Now to convert it into lowercase letter, so a dot to lowercase and run it. All the letters are converted into lowercase. Now to convert it all the letters into uppercase, so a dot to uppercase and run it. All the letters are converted into uppercase. If we add two strings, so how we do it? String A is equal to hello and another string B is equal to world, and we add A plus B, A plus, and give some space between them and B and run it. So our output is hello world. Let's comment it out, all these things, and if we add an integer value and a string value, so int a is equal to 20 an integer value and string b is equal to 30 a string value, and store it into string variable. String z is equal to a plus b. So what will be our output of z? So our output is not 50, our output is 1030 2030. Now if both are strings value, strings x is equal to 10, string y is equal to 20, string o is equal to x plus y. So our output is, run it, our output is 1020. Thank you guys.